Welcome. Today, we're diving into the simple steps to edit your highlights on Instagram, ensuring your profile stays fresh and reflective of your current style. Whether you want to update an old highlight or just make some minor tweaks, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be ready to navigate to your profile. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action takes you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you wish to edit. Highlights are those curated collections of stories that showcase memorable moments. When you find the highlight you want to change, simply click and hold on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit Highlight. This step opens up the editing interface where you can make various adjustments. You can change the cover image by tapping on the current one and selecting a new image from your saved stories. If you want to rename the highlight, tap on the current name and type in a new one that better represents its content. Additionally, you have the option to add or remove stories from this highlight. Tap the circle next to each story to check or uncheck it. Unchecked stories will be removed from the highlight, while you can tap Stories to add new content from your archive. Once you've made all the necessary changes, it's time to finalize everything. Simply click Done in the top right corner of the screen. Your updated highlight will now reflect all the changes you've made. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily keep your Instagram highlights up to date and engaging for your followers. So go ahead and give it a try. Your profile will thank you.